Let's explore Asia! Can you guess these 32 amazing landmarks from just a picture? Which famous white marble monument is this? Is it A. Lotus Temple, B. Taj Mahal, or C. Hawa Mahal? It's B. Taj Mahal. It was built in memory of an empress. What is the name of this ancient, super long stone wall? Is it A. Great Wall of China, B. Hadrian's Wall, or C. Western Wall? It's A. Great Wall of China. It stretches for thousands of miles. Which famous snow-capped volcano in Japan is this? Is it A. Mount Vesuvius, B. Mount Fuji, or C. Mount Everest? It's B. Mount Fuji. It is Japan's tallest mountain. What is the name of this record-breaking tallest building in the world? Is it A. Shanghai Tower, B. Burj Khalifa, or C. Taipei 101? It's B. Burj Khalifa. It stands tall in Dubai. Which half-fish, half-lion statue is this famous symbol? Is it A. Sphinx, B. Merlion, or C. Griffin? It's B. Merlion. It is the official mascot of Singapore. These twin skyscrapers are located in which Asian country? Is it A. Malaysia, B. Thailand, or C. Indonesia? It's A. Malaysia. They are the famous Petronas Towers. In which country can you find this massive ancient temple complex? Is it A. Vietnam, B. Thailand, or C. Cambodia? It's C. Cambodia. Angkor Wat is the world's largest temple. Which colorful landmark in Japan looks a lot like the Eiffel Tower? Is it A. Tokyo Tower, B. Kyoto Tower, or C. Canton Tower? It's A. Tokyo Tower. It is painted orange and white. Who guarded the tomb of China's first emperor in this landmark? Is it A. Terracotta Army, B. Jade Warriors, or C. Bronze Knights? It's A. Terracotta Army. Thousands of clay soldiers guard the tomb. In which country is this giant ancient Buddhist temple located? Is it A. Myanmar, B. Indonesia, or C. Sri Lanka? It's B. Indonesia. Borobudur was built in the 9th century. This famous monument, carved into pink sandstone cliffs, is in which country? Is it A. Egypt, B. Jordan, or C. Turkey? It's B. Jordan. This is the treasury at Petra. What are these giant glowing artificial trees called? Is it A. Solar pines, B. Super tree grove, or C. Neon forest? It's B. Super tree grove. They are vertical gardens in Singapore. Which huge imperial palace complex in Beijing is this? Is it A. Summer Palace, B. Forbidden City, or C. Potala Palace? It's B. Forbidden City. It housed emperors for 5 centuries. Because of its white walls, this Japanese castle is named after which bird? Is it A. White heron, B. Golden eagle, or C. Silver swan? It's A. White heron. It is famous for its white exterior. This spectacular gold-plated temple is located in which country? Is it A. Myanmar, B. Thailand, or C. Laos? It's A. Myanmar. The Shwedagon Pagoda dominates the skyline. In which capital city can you visit this royal palace built in 1395? Is it A, Tokyo, B, Seoul, or C, Beijing? It's B, Seoul! Gyeongbokgung was the main royal palace. This ancient palace fortress was built on top of a giant rock in which island country? Is it A, Sri Lanka, B, Madagascar, or C, Japan? It's A, Sri Lanka. Sigiriya is also called Lion Rock. This cliffside Buddhist monastery is a national landmark of which mountain kingdom? Is it A, Nepal, B, Tibet, or C, Bhutan? It's C, Bhutan. It is known as the Tiger's Nest. This famous floating orange gate stands in the water of which country? Is it A, South Korea, B, Japan, or C, Taiwan? It's B, Japan. It appears to float at high tide. This high-altitude palace was the winter home of the Dalai Lama in which region? Is it A, Tibet, B, Nepal, or C, Mongolia? It's A, Tibet. The Potala Palace sits on Red Hill. Known as the Temple of Dawn, this colorful landmark is found in which city? Is it A, Bangkok, B, Chiang Mai, or C, Hanoi? It's A, Bangkok. Wat Arun sits on the riverbank. This stunning plaza with 3 blue-tiled schools is in which Central Asian country? Is it A, Kazakhstan, B, Uzbekistan, or C, Tajikistan? It's B, Uzbekistan. This is the historic Registan Plaza. These unusual dome-shaped hills turn brown in the dry season in which country? Is it A, Vietnam, B, Philippines, or C, Malaysia? It's B, Philippines. They are called the Chocolate Hills. These famous towering limestone islands are located in which country? Is it A, Vietnam, B, Thailand, or C, Indonesia? It's A, Vietnam. Halong Bay features emerald waters. This burning desert crater, known as the Gates of Hell, is in which country? Is it A, Uzbekistan, B, Turkmenistan, or C, Iran? It's B, Turkmenistan. It has burned since 1971. This unique bridge, supported by 2 giant stone hands, is located in which country? Is it A, Vietnam, B, Thailand, or C, Taiwan? It's A, Vietnam. It is the famous Golden Bridge. This incredible temple was carved entirely out of a single giant rock. In which country? Is it A, Sri Lanka, B, India, or C, Cambodia? It's B, India. The Kailasa Temple is a monolith. Known as the Palace of Winds, this pink landmark has 953 small windows in which country? Is it A, Pakistan, B, Nepal, or C, India? It's C, India. Hawa Mahal is in Jaipur. This famous wooden temple stage in Kyoto was built entirely without using what? Is it A, nails, B, glue, or C, woodcutters? It's A, nails. It was built using traditional joinery. This dramatic volcanic tuff cone, known as Sunrise Peak, is on which island? Is it A, Jeju Island, B, Okinawa, or C, Bali? It's A, Jeju Island. It was formed by volcanic eruptions. This unique spiral minaret tower is a historical landmark of which country? Is it A, Iran, B, Iraq, or C, Syria? It's B, Iraq. The Malvia minaret has a spiral design. Carved directly into a cliff face, this is the tallest stone Buddha statue in which country? Is it A, China, B, Japan, or C, Thailand? It's A, China! The Lashan giant Buddha is huge. 0 to 10. Keep practicing. 11 to 25. You're sharp. Over 25 makes you a genius. Comment your score and subscribe.